Hi everyone, welcome back to Smita's YouTube channel. Today I'm off to Chikmagalur with the Mocha on a KSRTC bus. You're wondering dogs are allowed? Yep, if vaccinated and in a container. We had the vaccine slip but forgot the container, so Mocha just vibed on the bus like a furry rebel. We finally reached the bus stop and were super hungry. We had breakfast at a hotel nearby. Sorry, I forgot the name. I had puri and Mocha had idli. Then we left for our resort, Silvershine Homestay, which was about 10 km away. The auto driver charged us 200 rupees. After reaching, we kept Mocha in the room and
Welcome.
went back to the bus stop, but no buses showed up. Currently, we are in Bachiganahalli. So we took an auto again and told the driver to drop us at Chikmagalur bus stop.
1973 में बनाया भाई ये स्कूल.
We roamed around the city. By the way, just to let you know guys, the homestay charged us around 4k for one night and KSRTC bus tickets cost me 325 and surprisingly Mocha was charged the same amount too. and what and I had some nice coffee and I shopped. Got a curd for Mocha. Came back to the homestay. Chikmagalur dairy. First time I'm seeing guys. Usually I used to take Nandini curd milk for the first time. You can't say that. Tirupati garment. अरे मैंने अभी देखा देखो वहाँ पे Homestay where we are staying. We came out for a walk guys. So today successfully we wasted. We didn't go anywhere just because of Mocha. He feels alone, right? So Karan Anwal. So he's my friend is giving me what? He is giving me You are giving me what?
Mocha caretaker.
Yes, he is Mocha's caretaker. Actually, he is giving us company.
We need someone to hold him.
So I brought him. I'm paying for him, you know. Wow, look at the view, guys.
No, view देख लो.
अरे मोकू.
इसलिए मैं इसको
Oh.
हाँ साड़ू इससे कर लो मुझे बताना.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है गाइस यहाँ पे आकर, मगर मुझे अंदर अंदर बुरा भी लग रहा है क्योंकि कल के बाद परसों मुझे ऑफिस जाना है. ऑफिस जाना इट्स लाइक कि जेल जाना, सेंट्रल जेल. कि मुझे कोई फ्री में लाइक अडॉप्ट करने वाले कोई करोड़पति मेरा अंदर जो भी कोई आपको लगे कि मेरी बेटी जैसे दिखती है, प्लीज़ अडॉप्ट मी. आई एम अवेलेबल फॉर अडॉप्शन गाइस. आई जस्ट वांट 3 things. फर्स्ट वन, फ्री में खाना. नॉट शुगर डैडी, प्रॉपर डैडी मीन्स नो लाइक what to say, ganda things. Only like he need to see me like his own daughter. So first thing, sorry I forgot. First thing, I want him to treat me like his own daughter. Second thing, 3 times proper food. And third thing, एक बंगला और एक जाने के लिए मर्सिडीज एंड एक ड्राइवर एंड अरे मेरा लिस्ट तो लंबी होते जा रहा है. और एक लिस्ट की मुझे एक कार्ड दे दे, मैं स्वाइप करते रहूँ, वो पैसा आते रहे, मुझे जो मन चाहिए. मुझे जहाँ ट्रिप नेशनल इंटरनेशनल जहाँ जहाँ जाना है वहाँ वहाँ जाने के लिए मुझे पैसे दे दे. बस इतना ही चाहती हूँ, इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं चाहती हूँ. आप लोगों में कोई है मेरा अंदर आपको अपनी बेटी का रूप दिख रहा है तो मुझे अडॉप्ट कर लीजिएगा. मेरा मम्मी पापा का कोई क्या बोलते रहे हिंदी में, एतराज़ नहीं है. यहाँ पे एक छोटा बच्चू है, इसका नाम मुझे नहीं पता, जो जहाँ हम लोग स्टे कर रहे हैं. इसका होम स्टे का नाम क्या था, सिल्वर शाइन. आप नेक्स्ट टाइम आप लोग आएंगे तो चिकमगलूर में यहाँ पे आप स्टे कर सकते हो. And it is also like pet friendly homestay. They are allowing pets. बात कोई मोका is playing with बारकोली. बारकोली को क्या बोलते हैं, बतख. मोका खेल रहा है बतख के साथ, भोग भी रहा है. वो अपना घर चले गए. बुला लो उसको.
मोका मोको कौन फंस गया था,
फंस गया.
शर्म नहीं आती.
Second day in Chikmagalur. Yes, actually we didn't go anywhere yesterday because what? There was no time. So today we booked an auto. It might be on the way. We're going to explore Chikmagalur in first half, and second half we will head to Bangalore baby late too. Very late. So let's get ready, guys. So yeah, even Mocha also just woke up. Come. He's so excited to explore. Plan changed and we ended up in Chikmagalur. Let's get ready. Second day in Chikmagalur, I woke up, got ready. Mocha, come. I got
Kyutu?
ready, played a bit with Mocha sir.
Come here. I said come. You're not coming. Angry? Come, Moco, come.
और एक बार वो बोले कोको कोको. And booked an auto for sightseeing. The auto driver showed us around 4 to 5 places and charged 2,500 for half a day. Bit much, but hey, we came here to explore, right? So I agreed. बहुत टाइम हो गया क्या पाके? बहुत टाइम हो गया. एक्चुअली वो जो फूटा ही नहीं थे, वो जो चेकआउट करने वाले थे और नेटवर्क भी चला गया था. Took us to Mullayanagiri. The journey was amazing. We enjoyed the beautiful nature all along the way. मुल्लय्यनगिरी के स्वागत सुस्वागत. Finally, we reached Mullayanagiri, clicked some pictures, and took in the views. After that, we headed back to continue our adventure. Next, the auto driver took us to Zari Falls. To reach Zari Falls, like we had to go to another 4 to 5 kilometers by jeep, and they charge 800 rupees. That's the fixed rate set by the government. For 5 seats, I guess 800 rupees. Since we visited in summer and there weren't many tourists, so we paid the full 800 rupees ourselves. But honestly, the ride and the place were worth it. We enjoyed the falls. मौका देख के शौक हो गया पानी को. We played in the water.
Zari Falls फॉल्स कैसे लगा आपको? मोका मैगी बन रही है, मैगी मैगी मैगी। क्यूरियोसिटी देखो इसका। मोका अच्छा लग रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है बेटे को, अच्छा लग रहा है। नहाने जाते हैं कपड़ा फेंक देते हैं, नहाने जाते हैं कपड़ा फेंक देते हैं, उसी का ही है।
We had Maggie too. They charged for Maggie per plate 50 rupees. And even Mocha had biscuits. He loved it. The return ride was also beautiful and peaceful and full of nature. Full of nature. After that, we went to Baba Budangiri and Z Point. On the way, we heard some bad news actually. There was an accident between a bus and a bike. It was really horrible. The driver told us that accidents are common on that road. So if you are planning to go by bike, please be very careful guys. So if possible, it's better to go by auto or car, as local drivers know the roads well, right? Anyway, we finally reached Z point, and it was a beautiful place.
Set point. Oh, nice, nice.
There also, like, we enjoyed the view and clicked a lot of photos, and even we had some ice cream there.
मैम आए, ये इसको लेके आया, पता नहीं इसको बैठा के यहाँ पे आइसक्रीम खिला रहा है.
Nature was amazing and everything felt so peaceful.
आफ्टरनून में आया है तो इतना एग्जाइटिंग प्लेस नहीं लग रहा है. शायद में हम लोग को मॉर्निंग आना चाहिए था. ये अपन Z point.
After visiting Z point, I did some chit chat, talked a little nonsense, just having fun. Then the driver took us to a small waterfall. Sorry guys, I forgot the name. If anyone knows, drop it in the comment. After that, we told him to drop us at the bus stop, and just as we got there, it started raining.
Say bye bye.
We managed to catch a bus and thought the struggles were over, but nope. The KSRTC's staff told us to get a mask for Mocha, so we quickly brought him to. The bus started.
बारिश कैसे लग रहा है बच्चों? मास्क लगा ले. मास्क
फिर से पहले नहीं क्लिक किया था क्या?
जैसे हम लोग सोचते हैं हम लोग के साथ कुछ अच्छा होता है, बुरा ही होता है. अरे मोको गाड़ी खराब हो गई रे.
But somewhere near Belur or Begur, it broke down. They tried everything, even pulling the bus manually, but it just wouldn't start.
शुरू हो जाए भगवान. मोको ये क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कब हुआ, क्यों हुआ? बस स्टॉप में बस खराब होके
तुमने उसको डार्क फैंटेसी के लिए पागल किया है ना, पागल हो चुका. तो इसको पता चल गया कि नया ट्रीट का डब्बा है. मेरे को जब से पता चला नया ट्रीट का डब्बा है तब से
भाई वो खाया है. हंसी के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं.
We had to catch another bus, but then they asked for a container for Mocha. At first, the driver had said it was fine without it, but later many conductors insisted, and luckily the first conductor helped us out by arranging a cardboard box, and Mocha sat in that like a boss. Finally, we got proper bus, took out the box once we settled in, and rode peacefully. It was a mix of fun and struggle, guys. Overall, we really enjoyed the trip. That's it for the vlog, guys.